Il Penalty Awards seconda edizione vi aspetta lunedì 8 giugno a partire dalle ore 18 qui nel cortile Platabone, Palazzo della Cultura, via Vittorio Emanuele 121. Tutto il gotha del calcio siciliano sarà presente. Vi aspettiamo!
Remember all the things that you and I did first? And now you're doing them with her. Remember all the things that you and I did first? You got me like this. Boy, you can say anything you want. I don't give a shit. No one else can ask you. I want you back. I want you back. I broke it up thinking you'd be crying. Now I feel like looking at you flying. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back.
So it's not like a helicopter.